The contribution of physics that our group will present is particle accelerators. Let us begin with a brief history on how this machine came about. Now, there are two accounts on the invention of the particle accelerator. The first being developed by Robert Jemison van de Graaff in 1929. Another account is that in the year 1931, a physicist by the name of Ernest Lawrence was inspired by the ideas of Norwegian engineer Rolf Weidero and created the first circular particle accelerator. In any case, both physicists are acknowledged for their contribution to the development of the machine. Ernest Lawrence in particular was awarded the Nobel Prize in the year 1939 for his invention of the particle accelerator, which was then called cyclotron. Particle accelerators are machines that accelerate particles like electrons or protons to extremely high energies. In other words, they produce beams of charged particles that are used for various research purposes. There are two subtypes of particle accelerators. The first is linear accelerators, which propel particles along a straight line and are used for fixed target experiments. The second is called circular accelerators that propel particles around a circular track and are used for both colliding beams and fixed target experiments as well. In this presentation, three applications of particle accelerators to society will be discussed. First is medical applications. Physics has always played an important role in the development of modern medicine. The use of particle accelerators is one example of this statement. Besides microscopy and X-ray, a medical linear accelerator is also commonly used to perform radiation therapy to treat cancer patients. Moving on, particle accelerators also have industrial applications, specifically in the food preservation procedures. At present, more research is being done to develop a particle accelerator dedicated to food irradiation, which is the process where an object is exposed to radiation. Some of its benefits include sterilization of fresh farm produce and disinfestation and preservation of more food. Lastly, the machine also has power engineering applications. The use of particle accelerators are very crucial, especially when dealing with power such as heavy ion fusion, plasma heating, and radioactivity. The role of the accelerators is to serve as an additional power needed in order to increase the possibility of the experiment. For example, plasma heating's accelerator has produced a negative ion beam that boosts the ideal performance of the said work.